What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. And today I was thinking about the ride height of my car. I told you about that. My car is just lifted and it sits really high and I don't like it. It have 4 finger gap in between the tire and the wheel well or in the fender. So I'm just like, yeah, I was over with it. So today I thought I'm gonna get my car lowered. Yeah, I'm gonna get my car lowered on stock springs. I'm not buying any springs especially for this car to get it lowered. I just want it to look nice, so I'm just gonna go to the shop and I'm gonna show you how to do it. So frankly speaking, I just don't know how to do it, how to do all of that stuff. Yeah, I know a little bit, but I have never done that practically, so I'm just gonna learn today. So I'm just gonna show you how to do it, and as well as I am gonna learn how to do it. So we are both on the same thing. So I think it will be a really nice time to do that. Like to lower this car, as you can see, there is the mass suspension and there is a rubber pack, so we have to remove that and then the car will be lowered. So we have to do that in all of the 4 suspensions and then this car will get lowered, so that my car will look really nice and better than before. Like when I'm gonna click some pictures, it's gonna look really nice. Problem happened, there is a problem in the car, so I just got to the mechanic shop and my clutch wasn't working properly. So I was just like a bit skeptic about that, so I told him that my clutch is not working properly. So he drove my car, he analyzed it and he saw that there is a leak in my clutch cylinder, the wiring which is towards the clutch cylinder. So it is just like all of the oil is just leaking from there. So I'm just really unhappy about that because I wasn't thinking that's gonna happen. That is just because of rats. Some rats are just like keep coming into my car and they are just keep chewing my wires. I have to think of something from which I'm just gonna keep those rats away because I'm not happy with that. So I'm just like really unhappy. Like as you can see, the smallest wire, this one, this is leaking. This goes to the cylinder and this is the cylinder, like just there, and this is the oil. So this was filled with oil and now it's empty. I can lose my clutch anytime, so I have to get this replaced and it's gonna cost me, but I cannot do anything. I have to get it replaced. I cannot ignore this thing, or if I'm not gonna do that, I won't be able to drive this car. It's not gonna go into gear and I'm not gonna be happy about that. So I just have to live with that. Like, yeah, shit happens, but you have to be happy about that, and I'm thankful that I own this car. I think that's okay. I can live with that. And you just need to be happy for everything. Like, yeah, you are so grateful that you are living on this earth. So it's just like I'm happy about that. Like, yeah, I'm not happy about the thing that's happening, but still I need to make the best of it. So as you can see, the rubber got removed and it have lowered a bit, but it haven't settled in. So after some time it is going to settle in, and then I'm going to show you what it looks like after that. I think it is going to look really nice after it. I'm just going to let it settle in a bit.